In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. We'll walk through 3 practical ways to figure it out: a quick manual check for specific people, a more thorough data download you can compare in a spreadsheet, and if you prefer automation, trusted third-party apps. Use whichever fits your needs and comfort level. First, the fast manual check. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap your followers count to open the full list. At the top, use the search bar to type the username of the person you're curious about. If their profile shows up in the results, they still follow you. If it doesn't, they've likely unfollowed you. This is best when you have a specific person in mind and just want a quick confirmation. Next, let's cover a more systematic method using Instagram's data export. On a desktop or a mobile browser, go to your Instagram profile, open settings, and choose download your information or your Instagram data. Request a copy of your followers and following lists for the time period you want. Instagram will send you an email when your file is ready. Download it, then open the followers and following lists in Excel or Google Sheets. Place each list in its own column so you can compare them side by side. Use simple spreadsheet tools like filtering, removing duplicates, or conditional formatting to spot accounts that are in your following list but no longer in your followers list. That difference points to accounts that have unfollowed you. This approach is great for a broader view and keeps everything within official Instagram tools. Finally, if you want real-time updates, you can use well-reviewed third-party apps such as Follow Buddy or Unfollowgram. Install a reputable app, enter your Instagram username, and allow it to scan your account. These apps can notify you when someone unfollows and often include helpful insights like follower growth and engagement stats. Always prioritize your privacy. Choose apps with strong reviews, read their policies, and avoid granting unnecessary permissions. Combining these methods gives you flexibility. Do quick checks for individual accounts, run a periodic data comparison for a clear picture, and use a trusted app if you want ongoing alerts. Be cautious with third-party tools, and when possible, lean on Instagram's official options for the most secure experience. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.